welcome back to the mix. And making it to the mix is Erica, as she explains that she will not hate her mom, not because she gave her away when she was born, and also that she has been chastised. And she is praying because she said prior she had used on win. She's praying, and whoever was talking about her, they're gonna be in pain. So it's a lot more to the story, so go ahead and watch, and remember to like, share, and comment.
I get up every morning and every time I pray. You see my son? You see my son where you sit down and binnacle and I try to carry down? This, my breast them is so. Remember me tell you when a mother hold him belly for you and tie belly band round me and beat him breast for you. And if what you are saying is true, let it become take my son. And if what you are saying is lie, it must take you. Yes. Yes. 9 man into the sun. Cause me know where you say a lie. Have him in a wish bed and mash him up till him a ball and all this a at him and that a at him. I put you up to the sun. I put you up to the sun. The rising of the sun. Every morning and beat me left breast for you, boy. Remember me tell you, and people shall, social media shall see you. You're not coming off and I don't want you off. I want you to come out and be truthful like today. Oh, Master God, I beat you bad. Yes. Not until you confess that all those are lies. I wouldn't mind you come back again and say them are true. And make her go back, go turn me face to the sun and beat in 9 more morning for you. If you think you're bad, come out, come tell people say are true. My son, they in your house in England. You say, hey boy, you know when a mother get string and tie him belly for your boy and beat that. Yo. And none of them woman here where attack on them show. Never come on and defend it yet. Never. I wanna tell me say true my mother give me when me hate him. Lie wanna tell. Lie wanna tell me not hate him. Me not hate her. She give me life. Who is Uno? Yes, he ugly, him pum pum with her, whatsoever happen. Yes, I still feel me my out of the with a pum pum me come from, my out of the this year me come from on the backside. Dead over it. Dead over it. He give me way, yes. He couldn't stand the look for me face, yes. Me still glad he give me way down and dash me up in a one condom and tie me tight and fling and see what Uno should I do. Gotta beat you bad. Children, God children, remember, uno do for kids in a phone surrounding. Just listen how you talk to your cousin them here. Listen how you deal with them like a dog. You feel like you're there on top. And on the way there you stay so you're born so. And you just feel like a people make you be like that. Stand up to your facts and go to therapy. And enjoy your life and see if you can find a couple people can walk you out at daytime and then something like that you should have depend you look for. No, you depend you look for plumbing with a front. Till me have to call rape. Boy want rape my mama in a night. Every minute this boy come out can rape my mama. You not feel pain true, me no want talk. Me no want talk. Talk every blood clot thing, cause you know me whole big. So how you don't want to talk for your story and you just a say, and you know say me whole big and me mama front with that. But cool, you know. The whole of minister and ministry and where you is. Where the panny are tight about me too. Who you? Oh, no shame. A God alone can help him, and in company social media can say no fear God. He's a devil. God know why he put him down there. If God never put on that mother Ross would become nuisance to society. He would have worse than the shit in the pit. He would be stinking up society. Think God know everything best. And I'm not talking about every individual that stand to him in a film position. No. Me I talk about this bitch that live under people, mama. All woman, everyone else, you send them, go on your mama, go suck your mother, go up over your go. Pay people, mama, you live up under. Pay all woman you cuss on social media. Yeah, first somebody come on social media, come cuss cripple and say you're not cripple. Don't. And you cuss cripple all black your daughter. Fear time I come, if you still only time for dead now. Because you just live on the woman and him pick me till the woman and the picking them off here come out of here down your face. Oh no, too blood clot wicked. Nobody want look in glasses to say over the wicked and come out today and come back. Hey, over there, move your bumbo clot. But pray. Pray away. God not answer you. God is a forgiving God. But God no see you. No time. You, we say you not fear him, you can't take back that. You say you not fear him. So I wish God you pray to. That's why you get so much blood clot. It's not going to get better. Because you don't fear God. You feel like you is God. Whenever you fear God, He's a forgiving God. He will forgive you. But not feel like you can't do that to Master God. Beat now will kill you. Pain, worries,